Hi there, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be checking out the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. Please take a minute to subscribe, click like, and don't forget the notification bell so that you do not miss another video. And also follow me on other platforms. I'm on Instagram. I am also on TikTok, where I share more hair care, skincare, beauty related products, as well as lifestyle in short form. So my hair was previously in these chunky braids. So I went ahead and like took the braids out. And first things first, as always, I am soaking my hair completely. It is important. Water is important. So I make sure to drench my hair. My hair tends to elongate under the weight of water, and it will shrink back as soon as water is removed, which is always nice to see the curls under the water there. And so that's what I am doing. I'm seeing some shedding as I remove some of the water. I'm taking it off of my fingers and putting it against the wall of hair. I believe every single girl has one of those. Now, before I shampoo the hair and test out the shampoo, I am going to go in with my CeraVe anti-dandruff shampoo. I do have dandruff, and CeraVe, that shampoo has been incredible, kept the flakes away. I use it once a week, and it's diminished the flakes so much, so much. And so I am not skipping out on that. I'm focusing on the scalp, really ensuring that my scalp stays flake free for another week. Now, I do have a detailed review on it on my page, so you can go ahead and check that out. I will be rinsing it out and going in with the Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. And I've seen so many people talk about it, so I'm a bit late in reviewing it, but I'm sharing my first impression. The goal is to keep using it weekly and to provide a better feedback. Now, I do have the sample size because Olaplex sent them to me, just a sample size. So shout out to Olaplex. Thank you so much for allowing me to try them out. Let's get into it. So first things first, I'm going to talk about the scent. I really like how both the shampoo and conditioner smell. It's clean, it's slightly sweet, it has a salon fresh scent. It's not overpowering, but it is enough to feel like a treat in the shower. Now, for the shampoo, let's talk about the shampoo. It comes in a bottle, and it is supposed to repair bonds and reduce breakage. It is kind of thick, which surprised me, and doesn't like foam up at first rub, which is cool, which was like okay. But as soon as I put it into my hair, I clearly overdid it a little bit. Did go a long way. Now, I use it as a second cleanse, and it does lather really well. My scalp and hair did feel clean but not stripped, which I really like because of my naturally textured hair. I don't want my hair to feel overly stripped since it will dry out my hair. And so I love that it has this patented, I have a hard time saying that word, patented Olaplex bond building technology, and it works on a molecular level to repair broken disulfide bonds in the hair. And so, if you know anything about hair care, you know that especially the curlier your hair is, the disulfide bonds is what keeps the curls popping. That's what makes the curls curl. And you're also witnessing in real time the woes of filming a hair video is that I like my showers hot, okay? Maybe the water was a little too hot. I'll say no because I thought it was great, but my camera says otherwise. So, well, I'll have to work on that. But yeah, it does get pretty hot in there. And so that's why it gets a little weird. But yes, it works on the molecular level to repair broken disulfide bonds in the hair, and that's what really makes it amazing. It's also sulfate free, paraben free, phthalate free, and color safe. Half of my hair is colored, while the other half, the part that is starting from the roots, well, I guess it's not so much half anymore, but from the root down is naturally curly, and the bottom half is colored. And I do find that chemically treated hair, color treated hair or chemically processed hair, I guess a hair color can be a chemical processed hair, tends to really be prone to damage. So I need my shampoo to really do what it needs to do without overstripping my hair. And I need a bonding, like a bond maintenance shampoo to maintain those bonds in my hair. So it's great that I can use it safely on my hair. Like I said, like I'm going through it. I was able to really see how well it cleansed. And once I rinsed it out, it didn't feel super, super dry. And you can tell in the shower when a hair has been overstripped, even though it's like wet. Now, I did use the CeraVe conditioner because once again it's anti-dandruff. I find that it's really hydrating, guys, but I it's not like the be all end all. It's not like the conditioner. So yeah, it's a great conditioner. It's going to go through, like I'm applying it through my hair, but it's not the conditioner. So that's why I wanted to try the Olaplex conditioner as well. Also, I don't know what to expect because it is my first impression, and I don't have a deep conditioner this time around, or a hair mask, which I usually would use. So that's why I wanted to kind of double up on the conditioner, if that makes any sense. So after rinsing out the CeraVe conditioner, I'm gonna go in with the Olaplex conditioner because again, it is a bond maintenance conditioner, and that's the Olaplex number 5. Now, this one claims to restore, to repair, and hydrate without weighing your hair down. For me, I'm always like a little weary when I see without weighing your hair down. Again, the same squeeze bottle, and the scent is really nice. It is a very creamy, it is a very creamy conditioner, and it does feel somewhat light. I wouldn't say that it is like weightless. It's a conditioner that does pack quite a bit of slip, which I was very much surprised about. I did not expect the amount of slip that I got. Mind you, my hair was already detangled before this, so like I don't detangle my hair, especially if it's in braids, before I shampoo my hair. So same with this one here. Like I could be a little biased since my hair was already in braids, but I did notice like the slip was there. It's very creamy. I'm using my unbrush, and I manually separate my hair into 4 sections. I start at the ends and then I work my way up to the root. And so, yeah, you can see with the unbrush how easy it is to go from the bottom, again, starting with the ends. Oh, it was 3 sections, not 4. My bad. So I did 3 sections this time around, and then I'm going in, making sure that the conditioner is all throughout my hair. And then I'm gonna go in with my fingers just to get rid of some of the knots that I would see or feel near the ends of my hair where the color is still there. And also it is summer, so it is what it is. And honestly, my hair did feel soft and smoother afterwards, which is always the goal. So is it worth the price of it all? I'd say it's a good shampoo and conditioner, and it's definitely giving salon quality. Like, I can't even hate on that. For my first impression, I did like it. I saw minimal breakage, minimal shedding. It is a great bond building shampoo. I find that it's a good shampoo. I really cannot say like whether or not I would keep using it. So again, this is just a first impression. I will be using it more and more to see how it performs over time and see if it holds up to the hype. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to subscribe, click like, and don't forget the notification bell, and I'll see you guys later.